We are having so much fun here.
We are, brother. Meeting so many great people here in Hilo, Hawaii.
Yes, all right. We are going to, are we doing Daiso? What are we doing, Kara?
Yes, we are headed to Daiso Hilo. So exciting because, my goodness, I mean, we already love Daiso, but when you come to Hilo and you're like, oh, I forgot this and I forgot that and I forgot to bring this, Daiso is a place to go. Check this out. Every time I see this pink and white sign, I'm so excited. Talking about Daiso, and we are here at Daiso Hilo, talking story with our manager. This is Jade Barwell-Jones, as well as our supervisor, Shayna Razzo. Ladies, thank you so much for letting me hang out with you today.
Thank you for coming.
Yay! Now, you know, everybody thinks they know Daiso and the great stuff that you folks offer. Are there some items here that you'd love for people to know about that we might not know you carry?
Yes, we have a lot of cleaning supplies, especially here at Daiso Hilo. Our cleaning supplies are popular, so we do have some microfiber cat slippers. Great for cleaning the house. You wear them around.
This is great. I love it.
One of our more popular items in Hilo is garden. So we do have a variety and a selection of garden that we offer, different prices. And one of the items that we like to showcase today is our animal flower pots. We have different ones, but today we have our dog.
That is just so cute because when I went into Daiso the last time, I thought that these were like little coffee mugs or something like that. You drink a little hot drink, but yeah, probably not. There's a hole at the bottom.
Yes. So you might spill a little bit. Great for beginners and or advanced gardeners. And you can indoor or outdoor. So they're perfect for that.
Oh, love it.
And then we do also offer some travel things as well. So we do have these compressed towels. They're great for traveling. They absorb pretty fast.
Yes, this is awesome.
And then they do come in other sizes as well.
That's brilliant.
And then another popular item that we do have here that not a lot of people really know is we do offer things like sushi trays.
Wonderful. Oh, Jade, those are great items. Now, Shayna, there's some stuff that Daiso carries that local people would absolutely love, right?
Yes, of course.
Tell us about that.
So the first item here is going to be our food net cover.
Oh yeah, keep the flies off.
Yes, perfect for doing that, especially when we do have our barbecues or picnics outside. It's perfect for keeping those little bugs and gnats out. They're also very good and compact. All you gotta do is just pull up on the tab to increase it, and you just pop it down. Yeah, and I like to keep it on the side of my refrigerator using one of our magnet hooks. We also have some fans here, which will be perfect for summer that's coming around.
Oh no, it's perfect for now. It's perfect for every day, sister.
It's quite strong.
Oh yeah.
Feel it?
I love it. And you know, you folks have all of these wonderful sections. You have kitchen and stationery, but when it comes to organization, you guys got it beat. Tell us about some of the great organization items you guys have, like our containers.
Yes. So this is our under the bed storage. They're perfect for maximizing space in your home, and they also stack on top of one another, so you can buy multiple of these and organize your home. We also have this stool here. They're popular amongst the kūpuna here as they are very accessible for them, and they're very lightweight and compact.
Oh my gosh, this is so lightweight. This is perfect. Throw this in your car, camping, going to the beach, maybe even checking out a parade on the side of the road. Boom, just set up shop right here with your folding chair. This is beautiful, ladies. All right, so tell us, what are the hours of operation here at Daiso Hilo when we come from Mary Monarch or for any time we're in Hilo town?
Yes, so Monday through Saturday, we are open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. And then on Sundays, we are open from 9 to 5.
Nice, long hours to shop. Come and enjoy. This store is absolutely huge. I know you're gonna find something that you want right here at Daiso Hilo. So definitely 3 fans, couple folding chairs, a bunch of these, and one of these. You guys have this in like big size, like tita foot size.
Unfortunately, we only have one size currently.
Okay, I'm going to shove my foot in this then. I'm going to make it work.